Welcome to the Pricewise Insulation Tutorials. One of the best ways to keep your house warm and cozy is by insulating your underfloor. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that the professionals use to make your job as easy as possible. Did you know that 20% of your energy is lost through the floor? Installing underfloor insulation will not only help you save on your energy bills, but also helps keep the floor warm and stop drafts. For this job I've chosen the Bradford Optimo underfloor. Now this product is great because it is rigid, Australian made and approved by the National Asthma Council. The tools we'll be using today is the utility knife, battery powered work lights, drills and screws, and Optimo strapping. Before we begin, let's talk safety. To start off with, you're going to want to make sure that the power is turned off and that if you have some old wiring, that you have that checked over by an electrician. I've also got with me some gloves and safety glasses to avoid hazards like nails, splinters and other sharp objects under the floor, and I've also got a dust mask as it can get pretty dusty under there. Okay, so now we're under the floor, and as you can see, our access is quite tight. This brings us to our first recommendation, which is to work in pairs. This allows you to get your stock in quickly and also helps you get the job done a lot faster. Our next tip would be to start at the back of the house and work your way towards the entrance, because there's nothing worse than running out of stock and having to crawl all the way out again. Another thing we do is lay down a tarp or use the insulation packaging. This helps prevent our workspace and insulation from getting too dusty. When opening the packaging, you want to make sure that the bats are vertical. This prevents them from getting stuck between the ground and the underside of the floor. Before installing the insulation, install the Optimo straps at 50cm intervals. Once the insulation has been installed, these can be bent into position and tightened. Okay, we're done here. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want more information, you can visit our website.